call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rankings too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat.
Hey, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful. Oh no! I forgot to say the first part. Fuck. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Can I please get a drink, bro? You hear them singing? Can I get a drink, bro?
Let me get a root beer, bro.
My friends just got back from their tribe.
What?
They know the kid that wrote the song.
Uh-oh.
And he felt inspired by it.
Again.
Body foot good. I'm in never sex, I'm in to make love. Come get it. Hey, mama. Whose birthday is it?
For the birthday kid.
Birthday kid.
For the birthday kid. Yeah.
Birthday.
Birthday.
It's a birthday.
Birthday. Birthday. You a bad man and it's birthday.
I'm killing it.
You like the reverse one.
No, baby, shut your mouth. What goes around, make the echo sound. Come as a bitch, I guess you know it now. Said the
Whose birthday is it?
make 300 down. If not, I dudes by my side, so come around.
Is it Gianna?
Your mom.
No. Whose
Is that
birthday
on
is it?
0.5?
Yes. So he's on. You really want me to go regular? It's gonna be focused on your face. Gianna, you like zoom film what apart?
Die.
What?
Die. Hi.
Go in the water.
Go with me.
Go under the rainbow, my little fairy. It is.
It's gonna be super warm. It's gonna be super warm.
It's cold.
Okay. I didn't say cold, I said warm. It's so warm, right?
Fall in the water.
It's so warm, right?
I'm sorry. I know. I don't care. Look, you're so good. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Gigi! Come here. That's my babe.
Talk, please. I gotta see the road.
Scoob.
Hold on. You think I can make this dive?
Hell yeah. Oh my god, you almost fell.
I'm on that shit. Yo, this thing about to break.
Hurry up and jump. Hurry up and jump.
I'm on this shit now.
Oh, that's even worse, Scoob. That's just gonna fall over.
Oh shit. Colin, I'm coming. I'm making my way. Yo, the cereal floating in the water.
Bro, dead ass is. Oh my god. No wonder a flood. Yo, I got a flood warning at work. What day was it? Fucking Tuesday. Look at the flood warning in my fucking room. When am I gonna get that?
Bro.
Saved all
He
the
killed
Jews.
Hitler?
Yeah, and saved all the Jews. And now the world is different.
Holy shit.
History says otherwise, bucko.
Your fucking dog killed Hitler. I had no fucking
A dog killed Hitler?
I
No,
had
Hitler
no
killed
clue.
Hitler.
Yeah, Hitler killed himself.
Dog, he's not dead, bro.
It's like 300 years later.
You're that rich and
Yes.
famous, you're telling me to just kill yourself?
If you're that rich and
more.
famous, he's famous for being
He
a
took that money and went to fucking Jamaica.
He's famous for being a scumbag.
He-
He goes, if you're rich and famous, he's famous for being a scumbag. Somebody else would have killed him.
yeah, but tell me he ain't take that money and go to Jamaica.
You're telling me,
Like fucking 30s.
yeah, America.
Bro,
Fucking 30s.
bro,
What the fuck are y'all talking about?
when did Hitler kill the Jews? When did Hitler kill the Jews?
It was like
2016.
no, it was like
I'm
2022.
dead
so
ass, bro. I seen a video
No,
with
for real though.
DJ
What's the
Khaled
real
and
date?
30
The real date?
fucking Hitler.
like 19, like
Like 40s to 50s.
I would say 30s, 40s, but yeah, I think about that time, right? He's telling me it's in the 1970s.
no, silly.
No,
Shut up and play Monopoly.
I don't care. They're old in their old years.
Shut up and play
Hitler literally.
Shut the fuck up and play Monopoly.
Fuck your Monopoly, bitch.
Fuck you, bitch.
Bro, I have a better chance of surviving an
Take your
RPG
stick.
shot
No,
than
kill
I knew
yourself.
it. I knew it.
Kill yourself.
Kill myself.
Tear my life
Into pieces. This is my last resort.
Oh, fuck.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
I give a fuck about it.
You give a fuck about no Monopoly?
I give a fuck. You winning?
I was playing that earlier,
winning?
got a little bored.
You winning?
Look. I'm on. Yeah, I'm winning. Look.
Oh, so you're not fucking winning. You dead ass gonna try and get me to
Shut
give
the
a
fuck
fuck
up, I
and
am
you're not
winning.
winning. You better be winning.
That's what I-
You better be winning. You gotta be winning now, because I
always
said I
winning.
gave a fuck. I said I gave a fuck, so now you gotta win.
Look, and I'm on the
Prove
third.
Colin
I'm on the
fucking
third
wrong.
world.
Fuck you, Colin.
Fuck you, Scooby.
Fuck you, Colin.
Fucking dirty ass
Colin.
fucking.
I'm not listening to your stupid dumb shit no more.
Ladies. Peace amongst our village.
You know what? He's right.
Sorry.
right.
No.
Psych! Oh, wow,
Okay, now
that's
we're two
crazy.
friends, bro.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
both did that. We both did that. That's crazy.
Both y'all need to shut the traps before y'all get a fist in them.
Whoa.
I'll eat it.
Who the fuck?
I'm a pacifist.
Yo, who the fuck is he? No. Yo, what did he?
Who's this
what
guy?
Did he, yo,
This guy.
don't target me, bro. Yo.
Who the fuck is that?
I'm Colin.
I think this is island.
Anyone know Colin? I don't know Colin.
I feel like on my island.
You don't know Colin G's?
You don't know.
One of
He's
the
that
most
one.
popular
He's
YouTubers on
like
fucking
gay as
YouTube.
like he's dead ass like a movie.
Or that white dude.
Yeah, I
Colin, that's you.
The cat. The dog. The dog's like,
Yo.
let me out.
You know what we should do?
me out.
We should find some more of the gas masks and smoke.
Nope.
My sister had my sister and their friend was smoking out of a gas mask.
Oh, wait.
I'm finna get one of those.
No, I'm lying.
Oh, say what he is?
Fuck you think?
What happened?
I thought you were lying.
Fuck you think, Bucko?
I'm recording.
Play that one song.
I can't. I'm recording.
But listen, could someone play that one song? Colin always be recording those videos too. It's always a video of him at his dad's. He's singing, and then he hits his. He's like, the song tweaking.
Yeah, he's got the camera above him up
He's
here.
like,
and it's
I'm
like
on a whole
this.
nother
I'm on a whole nother
Sometimes
level.
I thought it was
You
geeking.
do
That's it.
I thought it was
That is what it
geeking.
is. I'm on a whole nother
I don't
level.
know.
I'm geeking.
I just-
God damn, my little skinny ass leg about cold as hell.
I better go lay down. Just to put,
Turn my life into pieces. Suffocation. The dogs are out.
Your dogs are out. Ew. Don't touch me with those.
You want some? No, yeah, he pet all my dogs. He gave me a good fat kiss of his dogs. What happened to the TV, Jim? Fuck you do?
what the fuck is going on?
You shut up. Your birthday's over. I'm sitting directly on my toes. Yeah. Scooby. Isn't this fun? All these bitches on my ass. You know, it's Bob Marley. Give no fucks. Pull up on my Harley. You know, I always got that gas. You know, smoking all up on that ass. You know, me and Daryl always in the back. Yeah, smoking that gas.
We're always in the back, smoking on some gas.
Yeah, always in the back, smoking up some gas. Yeah.
In the backseat, oh, you're I got my Pradas. Yeah, yeah, your bitch want it. Huh, I'm finna fuck her. Oh, yeah, yeah, I'm finna fuck her. 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 What? Oh, Keisha, you been breaking my heart. You been breaking my heart. And I don't know where to start. I don't know where to begin. I just wanna find love. Happiness is a win. Right? Let me talk. Let me get a motherfucking word across. Look at the bird across the road. The road. Look at the bird across the road. The road. Look at the bird across the road. The road. He said, look at the bird across the road. You know. Yeah, and it looks like frogs. Ribbit. Yeah, it's hopping across the road. You know, it's going across the road. Again and again. Then this little birdie came down. Ribbit. Yeah, came on down and swooped the frog. Then he got ripped apart and fed to the baby birds. Sad story. Damn, I speak a lot. We could be country singers if we tried. But that shit is corny nowadays. But you know what, if we're getting
Fat racks, stand the fuck up out the way. White rims inside my blunt, that been